root of 2 raised to power root m minus root of 2 raised to power root n is equal to 60. You're going to solve for the value of m and the value of n in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can say that from here, you can multiply this power by 2 over 2, okay? So we have root of 2 raised to power m multiplied by 2 over 2, okay, minus root of 2 raised to power root of n, okay, this is root of m, sorry, root of n multiplied by 2 over 2 is equal to 60, okay? Now from here, we can say that root of 2 raised to power, this now can be expressed as root of m over 2 all raised to power 2 minus root of 2 raised to power root of n over 2 all raised to the power of what? Of 2 again is equal to 60. Okay? Now from here, we can now simply say, let this whole thing in the bracket be equal to a, and let this other thing in the bracket be equal to b. Okay, so we have a squared minus b squared is equal to 60. Okay? Now when solving this is the difference of 2 squares, so we can say that a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to 60. Okay? Let's now outline the multiples of 60. Okay? So 60 here can be equal to 30 times 2. Okay, we have 15 times 4. We have 5 times 12. Okay, we have 2 times 20. We have 1 times 60. Okay, and these are the multiples of 60. So go ahead and try which of these will satisfy this equation. Okay, and when we find the one, we can now equate a and b respectively to what they're equal to find the value of m and n. Moving on from here, we can say that you realize that a plus b should be greater than a minus b, given that these are positive numbers, positive whole numbers. A plus b should be greater than a minus b. Okay, if that's established now, let's solve. Now, you're going to have the first one is 30 and 2. So it means that a plus b is 30 and a minus b is 2. Okay, adding these two up, we have 2a is equal to 32, a is equal to 16, okay, and b is equal to 14. All right. Now ask ourselves, can 14 be expressed as an index of any number? 14 cannot be expressed as an index of any number. Okay, so it means that this solution cannot be used if you're going to get whole numbers. All right. For the second condition, we have that a plus b is equal to, okay, let's say 15, and a minus b is 4. For this one, when we add here, we see that 2a is equal to 19. If 2a is 19, it makes a fraction, and if a is a fraction, this cannot give us a whole number that we're looking for. Okay. Now for the third one, we are going to have that a plus b is equal to 20 and a minus b is equal to 3. Again, if you add this one, you have 23 here. 2a is equal to 23, making a fraction. That means this one is ruled out, this one is ruled out, the first one is ruled out. Okay. Now for the next one, we have that a plus b is equal to 10 and a minus b is equal to 6. When we add here, we have 16. 2a is 16, making our a equal to 8. If a is 8, comma, b here will be equal to 2. Okay. Now moving on from here, we can now say, okay, that let's solve for a for the first condition. We have that root of 2 raised to power root of m over 2 is equal to a, and a here is 8. Okay. Now from here we can say root of 2 is 2 raised to power half. So we have 2 raised to power half raised to power m over 2. Now root of m over 2 will now multiply this half, okay, from the laws of indices to be equal to 8 is 2 raised to power 3. Okay. Now you're seeing that the bases are the same, so you can equate the powers. So we have 2 times 2 is 4. Root of m times 1 is root of m. Okay, this is the power, so we equal to 3. From here, we're going to have that root of m is equal to 4 times 3, which is 12. Hence our m here is equal to 12 squared, which is 144. Okay, so this is m. Now let's find n. Finding our n, we have that b is equal to 2, so we can say that root of 2 raised to power root of n over 2 is equal to 2. We have that root of 2 raised to power root of n over 2. Okay, now can be re-expressed to be equal to 2 raised to power what? Root of n over 2, or raised to the power of half, and this is equal to 2. Okay, now this is the same thing as 2 raised to power root of n over 4 to be equal to 2 raised to power 1. When the base side is same, you equate the power, so we have a root of n over 4 is equal to 1. Hence root of n is equal to 4, making our n equal to 16. Okay, n is equal to 16 and our m is equal to 144. So these are the two answers in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.